Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best resin 3D printer. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Longer. Orange 30 Resin 3D printer has upgraded its resolution to 2K and has improved the Z-axis pixel to 47.25 micrometer, while providing a larger print size 4.72 into 2.68 into 6.69 inches. This will satisfy more printing ideas and details. Therefore, this mode is suitable for both beginners and professionals, as it has higher settings and easy entry-level operation at the same time. Compared with other printers, this Orange 30 uses 32 parallel LED lights. This can take better care of the details on the edge of the model than the spotlight, which can produce a delicate and smooth model with the entire surface. In addition, the more uniform UV light can make the drying speed faster, cure the quality better, and reduce the failure rate. It not only has the good cooling capacity, but also especially increases the high temperature alert system. When the temperature reaches 131 degrees Fahrenheit, the printer automatically pauses for quick cooling, and it only takes 6 minutes to resume printing, which can avoid printing failure to save resin. Ideal for high temperature and summer environments. Fits Chitubox and Longer automatic development software. The advantage is that the Longer software can produce 328.1 feet cut files in 1 minute, which is 3 times faster than other software. Combined with offline USB printing, the printing speed is more advanced. Number 4. Brand name, Nova 3D. Benny 4 Mono equipped with 6.08-inch 2560 into 1620 monochrome screen, 3.9% improved UV light transmission compared to original Benny 4. Low temperature LCD, extends the service life about 2.5 times compared to the color screen, and the normal use time can reach 2000 hours. Meanwhile, the printing speed is increased 2 times compared to the whole color screen resin printer, and the printing time is decreased by 50%. Similarly, we continue the design without leveling. This design is loved by most users. Not only does it eliminate the leveling problem that has been critical by others. Number 3. Brand name, Elegoo. The Z-axis uses linear guide structure, which can achieve more stable movement and greatly improved movement precision to reduce the layer lines in the 3D printed model and make the surface much softer. The build plate screws are now upgraded to larger anti-slip hex screws, which have a more stable leveling result. The CNC rotating CD pattern on the build plate provides a much stronger adhesion, especially when printing large 3D models. Mars Pro comes with a silicone rubber seal that can be put on the cover to prevent the resin smell from leaking out and keep them inside the case. The built-in activated carbon can absorb and filter the resin odor before they are vented throughout the cooling fan, giving you a refreshing and safe user experience. The remodeled resin cube made of aluminum alloy is light but strong. The USB port is repositioned to the front for your convenience. Mars Pro uses a new user interface with a dark theme and simple design. The matrix light source consists of 2850-watt UV LED lights that have uniform light output, ensuring superior print results, more accurate print size, and 25% time-saving exposure of layers. Number 2. Brand name, Creality 3D. LD002 are equipped with air filter system. There is a small box on the back of the build chamber that contains a bag of activated carbon, which can help remove some of the exposed resin odor from the air. Uses the latest version of Chitubox slicing software, which gives you extraordinary user experience. Chitubox only takes 1 minute to cut 30 MB model files, and open cutting software would take up to 10 minutes. Powerful 30-watt UV light for fast printing, ensuring 4 seconds per layer. Also uses a 2560 into 1440, 2K HD LCD screen. LD002R uses an LCD screen to mask a 1-layer image over a UV light source. Made up of hundreds of thousands of pixels, each slightly rectangle, this technology leaves a mark of the edges of these pixels on the printing surface. Often barely visible, this effect can be reduced by using digital processing called anti-aliasing, which interpolates between these edges, smoothing the effect. Number 1. Brand name, Voxlab. Higher precision with excellent performance. Z-axis uses linear rail structure, which can achieve more stable movement and greatly improved movement precision to reduce layer lines in 3D printed model. Make the surface more smooth and the details are more exquisite. The Voxlab Proxima 3D printer significantly improves printing efficiency and aids in fast printing. The maximum print speed is only half compared to Voxlab Polaris. Further reduction in details. The details of printing models will be more exquisite with Voxlab anti-aliasing technology, to give you the best surface quality. Voxlab Proxima 3D printer with 6.08-inch 2K monochrome LCD light source and UV LED, which can be quickly cured by matrix ultraviolet rays to provide accurate printing results. The light transmission is high, the screen is up to 2000 hours of life.